Welcome to my channel Veg Delight. Today we are gonna make chocolatey crispy cookie. This cookie is really so easy to make. So let's get started. In a vessel, add around 200 ml of water. Place another vessel above this. Make sure this vessel is clean and not even a drop of water is left. Now add around 200 grams of dark chocolate. Set this on a medium flame. Chocolate starts melting slowly. Let's break this into small pieces. Gently keep mixing. Make sure that it melts completely. Our chocolate has started to melt. Let's wait until it completely melts. Just cool this for a minute and let's begin making our cookie. We will require this cookie mold, some Marie biscuits, and a melted chocolate. Just pour the chocolate in the mold and allow it to spread completely. Let's spread this evenly all over. Now we need to place the biscuit and gently press. Add the melted chocolate to cover the biscuit. Make sure the biscuit is completely covered with the melted chocolate. Same way we are going to repeat for the rest. Yeah, all our biscuits are ready to get into the freezer. Let's wait for 10 minutes. Yeah, it's time to demold them. Our biscuits are now into cookies, ready to enjoy. For more interesting videos, subscribe Veg Delight.